So here in this problem, we need to determine the value of x. And it's given here that there are 2 points. One of the point has the coordinate x, -1, and the other has the point has the coordinate 3, 2. And the distance between these 2 points is 5 units. Okay, using this information, we need to find out the value of this x. So let's employ the distance formula. We'll specify the formula first. So here we have 2 points, point A and point B, which is joined by a straight line. And we need to find out the distance between point A and point B. The coordinates of both point A and point B are provided to us. So here AB, which is given by the distance formula, that is simply taking the square root, and underneath the square root first we will take the square of the difference of the x coordinate and then add it to the square of the difference of the y coordinate. Okay, so let's try to use this particular formula. So here we'll first suppose that let the first point x, -1, let this be equivalent to the coordinate point A with x1, y1. This means that the value of x1, that's going to be equals to x, and the value of y1, that's going to be -1. And we have the other point 3, 2. So we'll suppose that let this be equivalent to the other point with coordinate x2, y2, such that when we equate both sides, so we get x2 that has a value 3 and y2 has a value equals to 2. Now, if we find out the distance, so let's say we call it A and call this point B. Now the distance AB, it's given here that this is 5 units. And we know that AB, so that's given by the formula. So we have square root of, now underneath the square root, first we will take the square of the difference of the x coordinate. So that's x2 minus x1 whole square. And we will add to the square of the difference of the y coordinate. So y2 minus y1 whole square. So this will be equals to 5. Now, clearly we can find out the value of x2 minus x1 as well as y2 minus y1. So let's do it here. So x2 minus x1, so that will be equals to 3 minus x. And y2 minus y1, so that will be equals to, so here we have 2 minus of -1, so that will get +3. So we get square root of, so x2 minus x1 whole square, so that's going to be 3 minus x whole square. Added to, so y2 minus y1 squared, so that's 3 squared. 3 squared is simply 9, so this will be equals to 5. So let's try to do one thing. Let's square both sides. So we're going to get 3 minus x whole square plus 9 equals to 5 squared, so that's going to be 25. So 3 minus x whole square, that will be equals to 25 minus 9, so that's going to be +16. If we take the square root on both sides, we're going to get 3 minus x, so that's going to be equals to plus or minus 4, which means x will be equals to 3 minus plus 4. So we're going to get two values. So one will be 3 plus 4, that's 7, or the other value will be x equals to 3 minus 4, so that's -1. So we get either 7 or we get -1. So that means option D, so that is going to be the correct option. So x could be either -1 or it could be 7, such that the distance between the 2 points x, -1 and 3, +2 has a value 5 units.